Heels. They make you look tall and stylish all at the same time. That said, they do have a bit of a bad reputation when it comes to being comfortable. So, if you don't want to compromise on those extra bonus inches and still want to get rid of those painful aches, shoe bites and blisters, these tips will be your ultimate savior. Always get your basics right. Pay attention to your foot type and foot size to get the right type of shoes for you. Your foot size changes over the years, even as much as one full size, especially after pregnancy, as the additional weight you carry may flatten the arch of your foot, making it bigger. Shoes with a good fit at the heel will prevent your feet from sliding forward, creating any pain on your toes or any pinching blisters from being too tight. So make sure to try on the shoes before buying them. If you can't settle for a smaller heel, make sure you pick a pair with a thick block heel or a platform. While the block heel will make sure you have enough support and stability at your heel, preventing any wobbly moments. The platform helps distribute the pressure more evenly instead of just the ball of the foot. A pair with coverage at the ankle provides even better stability, enabling a balanced strut across your day. Once you've chosen the right pair, you've already made sure that you will have the least amount of discomfort. Can't wait to bring out your brand new heels? A good shoe prep before taking them out will ensure a pain-free day out in your heels. Here's a quick way to break into new heels. Keep the heels in the fridge for about 20 to 30 minutes before wearing them. The warmth of your feet will ensure the cold material of the shoes takes the right shape, making your shoes super comfortable. New heels can be pretty smooth at the soles, so rough them up with sandpaper to prevent any slippage, and you're ready to show off your dance moves. Just like you, your feet also need some well-deserved rest even during the day. So try and have a seat or even kick off your shoes every chance you get. It's absolutely worth it. If you've been on your feet for long and are starting to feel foot fatigue, a menthol spray will temporarily relieve any burning and pain, allowing you an extra hour on your feet. In case of emergencies, always carry band-aids to cover up any blisters or shoe bites. To make sure you're ready for another day on your heels, kick back and soak your feet in some warm water with some Epsom salt, and you'll be relaxed in no time. If you feel like your feet could use some added care, sleep with your feet elevated up on 2 pillows. This will make any aches disappear overnight, and you'll be ready for another day with your heels. We're sure these tips will take you through a day in heels with happier feet and no aches. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.